Imagine waking up one morning and your phone buzzes. It's a notification from your employer. You've been replaced by an algorithm, a piece of artificial intelligence, AI, that can now do your job faster, cheaper, and arguably better. This might sound like a scene from a sci-fi movie, but the reality is the future of work is changing, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. From our smartphones to our cars, AI is steadily becoming embedded in the very fabric of our lives. Think about it. When was the last time you spoke to a human customer service representative or hailed a cab instead of ordering an Uber? The question is not whether AI will impact jobs, but rather how we can prepare for this new reality. The transition won't be easy, and the potential for job displacement is real. However, amidst these challenges lie immense opportunities. By understanding the dynamics of this AI revolution, we can equip ourselves with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in this rapidly evolving job market. The alarm bells are already ringing, and the evidence is all around us. AI is actively reshaping industries and automating tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of humans. From self-driving cars to AI-powered medical diagnostics, the line between human capability and artificial intelligence is blurring rapidly. Consider Siri or Alexa, our ever-helpful digital assistants. These AI-powered assistants understand our commands, learn our preferences, and even anticipate our needs. Imagine the implications for customer service representatives, personal assistants, and countless other professions reliant on human communication. In manufacturing, robots and AI-powered systems are already replacing human workers on assembly lines. This trend is only set to accelerate as AI technology advances, potentially leading to significant job losses in industries that have long relied on manual labor. The transportation industry is on the cusp of a similar transformation with self-driving cars. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, and even delivery personnel could see their jobs displaced as AI takes the wheel. The rise of AI presents a paradoxical challenge. While it holds the potential to unlock unprecedented levels of productivity and efficiency, it also threatens to displace millions of workers across various sectors. Studies paint a stark picture of the potential impact of AI on jobs. According to a 2017 report by McKinsey & Company, up to 800 million global workers could be displaced by automation by 2030. These job losses are not limited to blue-collar jobs either. AI is coming for white-collar professions as well, with algorithms capable of performing tasks like legal research, financial analysis, and even medical diagnosis. The economic consequences of widespread job displacement could be profound. A shrinking workforce translates to lower consumer spending, which can stifle economic growth. Furthermore, mass unemployment can lead to social unrest, political instability, and a decline in overall societal well-being. Governments and policymakers must grapple with the challenge of providing a safety net for displaced workers while simultaneously preparing future generations for a job market where adaptability and continuous learning are paramount. It's easy to get caught up in the dystopian narrative of robots stealing our jobs. However, technological revolutions also create new opportunities. The rise of AI is about job creation and new industries. AI frees up human workers to focus on creativity and critical thinking. This shift could lead to a surge in demand for jobs leveraging human capability. Instead of fearing AI, we need to view it as a tool for human ingenuity and innovation. The rapid pace of technological advancement, particularly in AI, has rendered traditional education models somewhat obsolete. Lifelong learning is now essential. Constantly updating skills is crucial to stay relevant. Upskilling and reskilling are no longer optional. They are essential for survival in the future of work. This includes technical skills like coding and AI development, and soft skills like critical thinking and problem solving. The future belongs to those who are adaptable and constantly evolving. The traditional model of education, where we dedicate our early years to acquiring knowledge, is no longer sufficient in the age of AI. The rapid pace of technological advancement demands a new approach, one that emphasizes adaptability, continuous learning, and a willingness to embrace change. Lifelong learning is about cultivating a mindset of curiosity, adaptability, and a thirst for knowledge. Those who embrace lifelong learning will be best positioned to thrive. The rise of AI is not a predetermined outcome. It's a story that's still being written. The choices we make today will determine whether AI becomes a force for good, augmenting human capabilities and creating a more prosperous and equitable society, or whether it exacerbates existing inequalities and leads us down a path of social and economic upheaval. We need to move beyond the fear-mongering and embrace a more nuanced and proactive approach to AI. This involves fostering dialogue and collaboration between policymakers, industry leaders, researchers, and the public. We need to establish ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment, ensuring that these technologies are used responsibly and for the benefit of all. Education is paramount. We need to equip future generations with the skills and knowledge to thrive in an AI-driven world. This includes not only technical skills, but also critical thinking, creativity, and the ability to work collaboratively with intelligent machines. The future with AI is not preordained. By embracing a growth mindset, investing in education, and fostering collaboration, we can harness the power of AI to create a more prosperous, equitable, and fulfilling future for all. The integration of AI into our lives is an ongoing process, reshaping our world. We should embrace it as an opportunity to create a future where humans and machines coexist and collaborate. Imagine AI taking over mundane tasks, freeing up human potential for creativity and innovation. AI can assist doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. Envision education systems tailored to individual learning styles, powered by AI tutors. This future of shared prosperity is within our grasp, but it requires a collective effort. It's about humans and machines working together to create a future that benefits everyone.